kids are out, except for, I can't tell, is that Skitter? That's Skitter. The kids are out sniffing me because I was brushing Mama. Was I brushing Mama? Mama likes to be brushed. We brush Mama whenever she likes it. We got a little wad of hair. Mama likes to brushy, huh? Mama, what are you doing, Mama? I wonder what they just knocked down in my room. Hi, guys. Hi, Mama. Hi, Skippy Dips. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. That was my stomach because it's breakfast time. What are you doing over there? That's right, Mama. Keeping an eye on the babies. Excuse me, did you almost skitter at me? What you doing, Skip? Are you lost? Yummo. Do you have the zoomies? Dillydally had a little bout of the zoomies. She's checking on everybody. Oh, what's he doing? She doing? Hello.